and I wanted to go to a place where I can use my Russian skills. And then I didn't pick Uralsk. I said I want to go to Kazakhstan, and they picked a city for me, and so they put me here. Yeah, but
anything that's like with fish. So these are clams, and we turn it into a soup.